How's it going, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter in a first generation Honda HR-V. This is a very straightforward and easy job, requires no tools whatsoever, and it's gonna make sure that the air that you're breathing inside your car is clean and healthy. This is something you should probably do about once a year, just to keep everything running the way it should and to keep your air nice and clean. So let's go ahead. We're gonna start off inside the car at the glove box. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to open the glove box, just like so. And then on the left-hand side of the glove box, you will notice that there is a little lever right down here, right here. Now, this lever is basically what keeps the glove box from overextending. And the way that we're going to release it is we're just going to push down on this little part right here. You can see that there is a ridge section at the bottom that has sort of like an indent. All you're gonna do is lift up the glove box slightly and then just push, and then it'll pop off like that. Okay, and as you can see here, it is now released. Then on either side of the glove box are these little tabs, as you can see right here. This actually holds the glove box into this part of the dash. There's one on both sides, and to release them, all you have to do is squeeze in on the sides of the glove box. So we just squeeze in on both sides, and the glove box will loosen and come down. And now, as you can see here, we have our cabin air filter. This thing here that says up on the right side, that is the orientation, so keep that in mind. Okay, up, facing up. And there are two tabs, one on each side. We just press them in, remove this panel, and then we pull out the old cabin air filter. And as you can see here, this one is quite dirty. As you can see, this one is full of all sorts of leaves and flowers and dust and just gross stuff altogether. So we would definitely want to replace this with a nice new one that is not going to be gross. So this is going to go in the trash in a minute. Okay, so now we can install our new air filter. Here it is. You can see here that on the new one, the airflow arrow points down, which is the same as the old one. The Honda one had the Honda logo facing up, and it says right here, airflow down. So make sure we reinstall it the correct way. Again, airflow pointing down. All right, all we gotta do now is slide it into the opening here, like so. And then we take the cover, and this one, the up faces up, obviously. And we're just going to press that into place. Like so. Make sure that both clips have re-engaged on either side. And then we're just going to lift up our glove box. And the first thing that we want to do is press in the sides to get those tabs to fit in, just like so. Then over here, we have our little locking tab here. And this time, instead of pushing, we're going to pull. So lift up the glove box a little bit until it interfaces correctly. And then just pull until you hear a click. And there we go. Job done. We can go ahead, close the glove box, and we are good to go.